Do you need to have followers on Facebook or Instagram in order to run Facebook ads? Well, actually, technically you don't. But a lot of times when you run ads, some people will go to your website, or not to your website, to your profile, to your Facebook profile, to your page, or to your Instagram profile, depending on where they see your ad. And if you have no followers and no post there, or just maybe 10 followers or so, and one post, then it's not gonna trigger. It's not gonna make them trust you too much, because the truth is that if people see that you have a lot of followers, it does give them more trust, even though it technically doesn't matter. But having more followers, at least maybe 1,000, it does give people more trust to go ahead and maybe look at your product, or even convert, buy it, or contact you, because they think then that you are real business because you have some followers. And it's really easy to get more followers. You don't have to be doing it organically. You can get it really fast and easy by making a Facebook page follower campaign, which is completely legal. I don't recommend that you go and buy followers. That is against Facebook's or Meta's policies, and if they find out, it may hurt your campaigns or your page. So just go ahead and run a follower campaign, and you can also do that to your Instagram account, so you can get followers really cheap and fast. Comment below if you have any questions. Give me a like if you like it, and follow for more.